I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Eileen, I've been wanting to make puff pastry. This puff pastry is now ready for the next step. We're going to cut it into strips and eat it with sugar and cinnamon. I'm going to start with a little bit of aquafaba. I'm using the mixture for egg white. Let's cut it into strips. Our pastry strips are done. I can't wait for Eileen to try these. Eileen, I've taken the puff pastry and added sugar and cinnamon. Cut them into strips. Let's see how you like them.
Let's try it. Yes. It's delicious, and the pastry is puffy. We did our job.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.